Basically, what's in your mind or what's in your vision is your boundaries.
Joel Sargent of Concrete Beautification and Restoration has seen a lot of improvement since he began working with concrete years ago.
There are so many markets or materials on the market available to every customer that you're pretty well only limited to your expectations in your mind.
We caught up with Sargent and his business partner Charles Bickelman as they were finishing up this pool deck.
The homeowners were looking to increase the value of their home as well as increase the appearance value, and so we went through our brochures and they picked out a material and a design that they were happy with, and from that point they expanded their concrete by a considerable amount, added the shed, and then now they're going after the decorative look.
This is what's called stamped concrete.
We specialize in decorative concrete. Basically what you're looking at here is a stamped overlay system. We come in with a 1/4-inch material and put that down over top of an existing slab and stamp a material.
The client chooses a design and a color.
As far as the texture and the stone pattern is customer related, and they pick out of a catalog or out of previous jobs that we have done.
At this point, Joel is busy putting the finishing touches on the stamped concrete.
We started out with a base color on this project as ivory sand, and they've picked out the colors to antique with a little bit of gray, a little bit of buff.
Next, he mixes the colors that will be used to create the look of stone.
And it's just mixtures. You kind of become a mad scientist in a sense, and it's just basically pretty abstract as far as a little more tint here, a little more tint there. Customers make the project go.
Decorative concrete can be used for all types of surfaces. In this project, the homeowner wanted to create the look of a worn driveway where some of the bricks were missing from years of use.
Or there's no actual bricks in that. That is a stencil process. That process is done by cardboard stencils that are put down over an existing surface, and then a cementitious product sprayed or troweled down over that. After the fact, you pull your stencils up, and that gives you what appears to be a cut brick, and the texture as well. So it's really hard to distinguish a real brick from an actual decorative concrete brick.
Stamped concrete can also be used to look like stone or tile, and there are some good reasons to consider using it.
This is considerably less expensive than putting real stone down. The good thing about this versus the real stone is the durability and the longevity of it. This is very high strength and very durable, and so you have a longer life.
Stained concrete has those same advantages, plus you can create a unique look. That may be why it's becoming so popular in basements.
The basement can be done year-round. It can be done in any color scheme. You can do scoring. You can make it actually look like marble or inlaid stone. And what you can do with colors is it gives you a molecular bond, the acid does, and that kind of does a modeling effect, and that turns it into an actual marble appearance.
Sargent does have one caution for homeowners. He says choose carefully when you select a contractor. He says going with the least expensive one may end up costing you in the long run.
You know, if they're asking a little bit more money than other contractors, do your research and find out why. It may be worth your time to pay the extra dollar if their expertise is up to par.
Sargent and his business partner are instructors in the use of decorative concrete. They say it can be more challenging than many people realize, so they advise homeowners to check references and select a highly qualified company.
You can get a plethora of information off of the internet, but a one-on-one interview, once you meet the contractor, you're gonna have to get a sense of how you feel about that contractor one-on-one. Check references, past jobs. Basically, do your research.
Decorative concrete contractors like Joel and Charles are busier than ever. Since it's affordable, durable, and beautiful, more and more homeowners are using it.
With decorative concrete, you can acquire very abstract kind of appearances. You can really get lighter and darker shades of coloring, whereas with a stone or an actual piece of material, you're pretty well locked into what is already there on that material. The thing that intrigues me about decorative concrete, it enables me to express an artistic desire that I have to put on concrete, and also follow in the footsteps of my family as I'm a third-generation contractor.